yellow 3 and 4, 34.
Look who's arrived, guys.
Blue 6 on line 60.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to the channel and yet another video. Now, as you can see, I'm near Central Pier this evening, and it's Thursday. It's a little bit drizzly, a little bit cloudy, but tonight we have the Illuminated Tram Parade, led by the World Beaters Drummers, better known as Sparks. Now, as you can see, there are now people starting to line the tram tracks on both sides. So, yeah, it is absolutely super busy. So just look down there. Okay, here we go, folks. Lightpool 2022. So this is our illuminated tram display, led by the fabulous World Beater Drummers. So you'll get to see them in a minute. There we go. There's the Great Western. Of course, the trams have to keep intermittently stopping while the drummers stop and do a little bit of a performance for the audience.
I'm waiting for them like white. I want to hop on. I'm waiting for them white.
So there's your Great Western Tram.
Here's like the one that looks like a boat. Yeah, Fisherman's Friends. Fisherman's Friends. He's actually waving out the windows. Is that? Illuminations tours. There's another boat. Yeah, there's boats down there.
There comes another.
All these people.
So look at these little dogs. So look at these. Look at these. And then we have some giant puppets coming along. I've got a couple of very excited children stood next to me. So if you can hear shouting and screaming, it's okay. Your voices will be on YouTube later.
Yeah, it's always energetic.
Look at these. Giant snail. And another one.
That is Caroline.
Yeah, it looks like it's it. So what we'll do in a minute is we'll follow straight behind it. And some more Illumi dogs here. Look at these. How cool are these? So there is Aqualux. As you can see, it is quite busy on here tonight. Beautiful Blackpool Tower. So you can hear the parade still at the side of us, over on the tram tracks. And I'm just weaving my way around some of these people. And there is Odyssey, all lit up. Now tonight you can actually walk through it. Let's have a look at one of these, shall we? Put that against the tower. These are looking very nice tonight. Of course, the illuminations are on.
let's make a run for it. You're coming on, go on.
I'm going to go this way because there's some Lightpool things up in the Winter Gardens. So I'll probably finish that video there and then start another one when I get up to the Winter Gardens. Alright guys, catch you in a bit.